Good evening to another person here. I'm Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security at SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we discuss about in unified markup language and wireframe prototypes. First of all, what is introduction to modeling techniques of cloud-based application? Like why modeling matters is like that is visualize and reduce and documents. Visualize is nothing but a complex system before implementation and reduce the miscommunication between the stakeholders and the document design decision like rational and cloud basic challenges like that distributed system complexity and service interaction and dependencies and state transition and resilience of patterns. The UML is one of the system architecture and the state diagram is behavior modeling and wireframe is the interface design. Like UML is compound structure and state diagram is like that is state transition and user experience. Today we are discuss about this UML fundamental for cloud application design. Class diagram is nothing but is model static structure of cloud services and define the data model is distributed system and show the relationship between the microservices and component diagram is visualization of service boundaries and interfaces and map container and relationship and dependencies and show the deployment topology and cloud environment and the sequence diagram is like model the message flow between the services and a document API interaction and protocols and the deployment diagram is map cloud resources and infrastructure and show auto scaling of configuration and state diagram for cloud applications behavior. The key components are state, it is a condition of an object and tradition is movement between the state and event is trigger for the transition and action is activities during the transition. The cloud benefits is visualize service behavior and document failure recovery flows and models asynchronous of process and clarifies the distributed interaction. And the circuit breaker state diagram is like that closed and open and half open. If you failure, it is threshold is success of closed and timeout based on the timeout. We have open and suppose if the timeout is we have and easily we can close with the it is applications and they are using the circuit breaker and the saga patterns retrieve logic is one of the application we have using to some of the tools and the wireframe prototype cloud application interface like type of wireframe is low fidelity and mid fidelity and high fidelity. Low fidelity like basic layout no styling. Mid fidelity is some visual elements we have needed in mid fidelity. High fidelity is detail of interaction and desktop, mobile and tablet, the cloud native dashboard example. And popular tools is Figma, the Falasm Sketch and Assure, one of the cloud native benefits and visualization the microservices interaction and the documents of API response of handling and plans responsive of layout. And modeling integration like UML diagrams, model system architecture and wireframe visualizes user interaction and combine the approach capture of complete designs. The microservices is like that component diagram plus application programming interface wireframes and API gateway it is a sequence diagrams with gateway wireframes and circuit break is state diagram is error handling of UI and event sourcing is activity diagram plus event flow UI. Those are using to some modeling integration and practical applications like the e-commerce platform, banking system and streaming platform. The e-commerce is global retail companies like migrated from the monolithic system, the microservices with distributed transaction management. The challenges like that across a multiple service with data consistency. The solution is UML document. It is a unified markup language common diagram with wireframes and boundaries of the user flow and the challenges is banking system is financial service provider design the API gateway with circuit breaker the pattern of external device handling the external services failures without the impacting user experience. The solution of state diagrams, model circuit breaker, and wireframe design the fallback of interfaces. And the challenges like that tracking the content challenges and maintaining the playback state of across devices. The solution is apply the UML activity diagrams and even flow with the wireframes of consistent user experience. The conclusion is UML provides the structured visualization of cloud application architecture, and state diagrams effectively model resilience of patterns and circuit breaker. The wireframes help to visualize the user interaction with distributed system. Combine the approach of capture both technical and user perspective. And further learning is cloud native patterns and UML specification. The wireframing guides of CNF resources like scalability from the start and failure recovery from resilience, and iterate between the models and prototypes. Thank you.